guys gotta check out the COWIN headphones. These things are sick.
These are the only noise-canceling headphones you'll ever need.
With their extended response and solid low-frequency definition, the ATH-M50x Studio Monitor headphones maintain the critically acclaimed M50 sonic signature, praised by top audio engineers and pro audio reviewers, while adding user-desired features including a detachable cable and improved headband and earpad materials. Proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers with rare earth magnets deliver exceptional clarity throughout an extended frequency range with deep, accurate bass response. The circumaural earcups contour around the ears for excellent sound isolation and swivel 90 degrees for easy one-ear monitoring. Professional-grade headband and earpad material delivers more reliability and comfort, while the collapsible design enables the headphones to fold into themselves for space-saving portability. The single-side exit detachable cable allows for field cable replacement, and 3 different cables are included. A top choice by audio professionals for tracking and mixing, the ATH-M50x headphones are ideal for DJ monitoring and personal listening. ATH-M50x. Track, mix, and listen on the go. For more information, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.
Feel my dizzy
Featuring a similar look and feel to the higher-priced models in the line, the ATH-M50x has an all-new engineering design and advanced build quality, which combine to deliver a comfortable listening experience. Incorporating 40mm drivers with rare earth magnets, the ATH-M50x's audio response is tuned for enhanced low-frequency performance, appealing to the listener who wants more solid bass in their sound without sacrificing overall response. Now offering a circumaural ear cup design for superior sound isolation, the ATH-M50x ear cups swivel 15 degrees, allowing for a more comfortable fit, and one ear cup can be folded outward for one-ear DJ-style monitoring. Incorporating a 10-foot permanently attached single-side exit cable with an 1/8-inch TRS connector, the ATH-M50x headphones include a snap-on 1/4-inch adapter, allowing them to work with a wide array of audio equipment. Ideal as an affordable tracking room headphone, the ATH-M50x are a great choice for the first-time recordist, classroom, podcaster, home studio, and casual listening. ATH-M50x, a great introduction with an affordable price. For more information, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.